Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice making a special shape panel. For example, an oval dining table. And we're going to use Edit Panel tool to do that. Bring out a component from the library. To make the panel customizable, we're going to use variables to model instead of fixed values. Select the tool, Edit Panel, select the panel. You can look up how to use these tools and explanation about these tabs in the tutorial video, Introduction to Edit Panel tool. So now let's model. First, click on the ruler and type in the value, 0 for example, to identify the origin point. And this dotted line is called guideline. And we can see them in the tab, Guides. We can hide it or show it or delete it. Next, 0. Here are some system variables. Now to draw the width, type in W. So this is the width of the panel, and the height is H. This is the original shape of the panel, looking from top down. I'm gonna add one variable, and the default value 200. 100 then. Now to draw a line that is 100 millimeters from the origin point, type in R. Besides, we also use some maths calculations like plus, subtract, multiply, divide, and some others like sin, cos, tan, and cotan. And from here it's H subtract R. And here R multiply 2. And from the other side, W subtract R multiply 2. To make a straight line, use Line tool. Connect the 2 points. And for these corners, I'm gonna use ellipse 1/4. For example, this one. So these lines are shown in path. I can also show or hide it, or even delete it. Another way to delete these lines, use the Select tool. Select the line and hit Delete. After that, use Select tool. Select the whole shape, and the lines turn blue. We just create a single cut for this shape, so we use Path tool. Select Path tool and outer loop to cut the outer line. Add new and then apply. As we said before, it's customizable, so I can change its size. Select Properties, for example, and frame width 1200, frame depth And I can also change the variable value, 200 for example. Next, let's export Gcode for production. Add material. Select the panel, and then select the tool Generate Gcode. Run nesting. Then hit stop. Check layout. Then go to Gcode, select the tool database, and download the Gcode. Let's test cutting simulation. Next, to reset the original shape of the panel, select the tool Edit Panel, select the panel, and hit this Clean Pattern tool. So this is how we use Edit Panel tool to make special shape panel. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.